loves, it's Rosie. I'm here with an unboxing of a practice hand. It is from Vita Bella. It is also from the nail artist here on YouTube known as V Nailed It. Love her work. I'm just going to be showing you the products that come in the box. Some cute little rings. The practice hand primer. This is actually the practice finger. And then this is the tape to hold the tips on. And these are the tips. This is the lovely hand. It is a very nice texture. It looks really realistic. It is posable as well. I'm just going in with the primer to prime the nail beds, and as you can see, this is how I'm going to slide the nails in. So then I'm just going to put a little bit of nail glue on the inside of the tip, and I'm going to slide it in and hold it firmly. And I'm going to do that for all 4 fingers. Now I'm just going in with the primer to prime the nail beds, and as you can see, this is how I'm going to slide the nails in. So then I'm just going to put a little bit of nail glue on the inside of the tip, and I'm going to slide it in and hold it firmly. And I'm going to do that for all 4 fingers. Now I'm going to be taking the double-sided sticky tape and placing a little diamond on each nail. Taking the backing off of all the sticky pieces, and then I'm going to go in with more tips, putting them in the same exact way, and then just pressing them firmly onto the tape. I'm going to glue my tips on like I would just any normal set, and then after that I will cut them down with the tip cutter. Now that I have this hand, I have plenty more YouTube content ideas, and already honestly have 2 videos made, this one and the one that will be coming for Wednesday. Hopefully I get this uploaded on Saturday. I'm not sure what the internet will look like camping this weekend, but that is my goal. I do also plan to do sculpted acrylic sets in the near future on it as well, but definitely lots of content coming up. So a little more about the hand. I did get it on vitabella.com. I got the kit. It is also posable, and I got it in V number 4. Now taking my 100/100 grit nail file and filing all the sides evenly to get that nice crisp square shape that I like. I know I haven't filed all of the free edges yet, but I'm not worried about that at this stage for this set because I am doing a different free edge than normal. This is going to be a Polygel set, so I'm going in with my light pink Beetles Polygel that I randomly have just to do my feet. And then I will be using their white Polygel as well. taking the light pink, I am going to be creating nail beds on the pinky, the ring finger, and the pointer finger. And then after I have created them, I will cure them for a minute under the LED lamp. I did forget to record after I cured that nail bed, so I did completely create a whole white nail, but that was my plan. And I have already cured the first layer, so I needed to take more to fill in some spots that I didn't like and just build the right apex and the right shape to my nail. Because even though it's a practice hand, my nails aren't going to be thin. I still want them to have a nice shape to them, a nice foundation, just so that they overall look good. I do end up completely recovering the whole nail, but that's okay because it ended up way smoother than it would have if I didn't. Now back to the pinky, I'm taking more of that white and I am going to be creating the rest of the nail. So this is technically a French tip. It's a sculpted French tip, which I do kind of prefer because they're so much easier. I do like painting my French tips because I'm getting into hand painted art, but as someone who started out sculpting French tips out of acrylic, it's just a lot easier than painting, in my opinion. Of course, after each section, I'm going to cure it with my lamp for 60 seconds. Also, didn't record me sculpting this nail bed, but I'm just going in and finishing this nail with the white part, and then I'm going to cure it. For this nail, I'm going to be doing the same as I did the last one, just sculpting a nail bed and then curing it, and then going in with the white and filling in the rest of the nail, making it look smooth and have a nice foundation to it. And then I'm going to cure it. going in with the Beetles Polygel in clear just to cap and fill in maybe any dents or holes. There shouldn't be any though, but just to make sure that it's clear when I file, I don't file away too much of colored product. And then after I do this, I'm going to also cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Just going in with my filing routine, I'm going to smooth over the top of the nail first with my 100/100 grit hand file. I have also realized that I did the sidewall shaping off camera too, and so you won't see it in this video. But when I do that, I just hold my file at a 90-degree angle as possible, and I file each side an equal amount of times until I have the desired shape that I like. Now I'm just going in with my e-file at a speed of about 9 to 10,000 RPMs. I'm just sealing the cuticle and smoothing over the nail from the hand file, leaving scratches in the surface. Now for the free edge, I'm going to take that same 5-in-1 bit and I'm just going to carve a deep C into the free edge. It's called a crescent moon shape, and I've seen it all over social media lately, and I've been wanting to give it a try. So if it's in the next few videos, it's because I actually really kind of like how it looks. Now going in with a gel top coat and doing a thin coat on all the nails so that I can begin my nail art. Using the Profiles Backstage gel paints, I am using the yellow to create the middle of my flower. Taking the same pink from that gel line and mixed it with some white gel polish to create a petal, and then curing for 30 seconds. Also doing that in between each petal or any gel at all. And then I took some blue and mixed it with some white polish, and I'm going to use it to create another petal. For this one, I used the purple mixed with some white gel polish as well. Every color except for the yellow is going to be mixed with white gel polish to give it more of a pastel vibe. This one is the teal mixed with some more white gel polish. Going back in with the pink mixed with the white gel polish. And then going in with the teal again. And then for the last one, going back in with some more blue. Now I am going to take the black frosting gel paints from Profiles Backstage, and I'm going to trace the entire outline of the flower. Every couple lines I will cure in between, just so that I know I'm not going to mess up my line work. Now I'm gonna go in with, I believe this is the teal. This nail is going to be a yin and yang symbol, and the other side is going to be pink. Now in with the pink, also curing in between each color so that they don't mix together and everything looks nice and crisp. I filled in the last two French tips, one with blue and one with purple for different designs. Going in with black again, I'm just going to be creating a smiley face with X eyes on this nail. In with the black again, using the dotting tool as I did for the blue nail. I'm just going to be creating some random hearts to fill in the space and just make it tie in with the set and make it cute. then going in again with a top coat just to top over all the nails and protect the design, and then curing that for 30 seconds, and then I am finished.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.